Now that you know how to use Nano Banana to create images and fuse images together, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a script for your YouTube video. So I've made this very easy for you. All you need to do is to copy the prompt right in this document. So you will find this document in the resources section of this course or the project section, whichever one. Just check for it, you'll find it. The name should be scriptboard prompts. All right. So on the first tab, which is the scripts gen prompt, you will find this prompt right here. Now, if you peruse this prompt, if you look at it, you will notice. Let me cut this title out because it's what I want to use to demonstrate this. So you would notice that we have placeholders right here. We have this placeholder to insert the number of chapters that we want to generate. We have this for the story premise, and here too we have this placeholder for the number of chapters. Let me just make this green so that should right. So it's green now. Another placeholder for chapters, and then the rest of the prompts. Now all you need to do with these prompts is to come here. You're going to remove this, insert detailed story premise here, and then you paste your story, the title of the story, and probably a little subtitle. Yeah, the title and subtitle of the story that you want to generate. Now you can get your title, you can brainstorm a title, by yourself, or you can use ChatGPT or even Gemini to brainstorm titles. Whatever video title you have, just put it here and just put a little explanation, to guide Gemini in generating the storyline or the script rather. Do you understand me? So here I want to make this very short so I don't spend a lot of time, I'm editing this video, showing you how to edit it. So I'm going to remove this placeholder too, and I'm going to put just one chapter. All right. And then the story must be exactly one chapter long. One chapter long. Okay. And then I'm going to let me just leave this. So right. Then for this 5,000 words, I want to reduce this. I don't want it to be so long. I'll just put 1,500 words. Okay. 1,500 words. Right. And then the rest of this, I don't need to do any other thing again. Now, what I need to do next is to copy this. I'm just going to use Control A to copy this. All right. Or let me just drag this upwards. Okay. And then copy everything. Copy. Then come back to Gemini and paste the prompt right here. Then enter. Send it to Gemini. And it will generate the script for you. Now, what the script is going to do is that it's going to generate one chapter. Just the story is just going to be one chapter, and it's going to break it into parts that are going to fit into the tool that we're going to be using for our voiceover. Now, our voiceover tool you cannot just carry 5,000 words and paste it in the voiceover tool for you to generate voiceover for you. It will not accept the 5,000 words. That's why we need to break it into parts that we can just copy and paste. Copy and paste. Do you understand me? It is done. Now, notice something. This is what chapter 1, part 1. If I scroll down just a little bit, I'm going to see what chapter 1, part 2. And then if I scroll down, I don't think there's going to be a part 3. Okay, good. Now, if you are generating a multi-chapter story just because you want a longer video, probably a 1 hour plus video, then obviously you are going to you're going to change the prompt here. You're going to change this. So let me say probably 3 chapters. I think three chapters should be enough for a 1 hour video. Okay. 3 chapters. And then here too, you're going to change this to what? To 3 chapters. And this 1,000 words, you can still increase this to what? 5,000 words or 3,000 words. But the main thing is Gemini should what? Split it into parts. All right. So this is exactly how you can generate your scripts using Gemini. It's very, very easy. All you need is this prompt right here in the resources section. Okay. Then you need your title and your subtitle. It will also work with just a title, but it's going to come up with its own story idea. Do you understand? It's going to come up with its own storyline. But if you have a particular storyline in mind, then you are going to include it what in the subtitle, and then you simply send it to Gemini, and it will generate a script for you. All right. And then it's not, this script is not just a constant, it's not a law. If you want to edit anything in the script, you are free to edit it. Just copy it, make a copy of this document or paste it in your notepad. And if you want to change the total length, if you want to change this critical formatting rule, just leave it. Okay. If you want to change something in this style, like this part where I put the tone should be direct, visceral, and graphic when necessary to capture the full intensity of the subject matter. This means if you are generating a story that has to do with probably horror or terrifying moments, I don't want Gemini to censor anything or try to make it mild. But you might run into problems. You might have difficulties generating images for that kind of script, because most image generators won't generate violent stuff, or terrifying or sad, or all those kind of stuff. It's not, they won't generate it. Do you understand me? So if you don't want this, if you want Gemini to always censor or make it mild, then you can change this. Okay, you can change this. So it's all in your power, but just leave the rest alone. This prompt is what is going to help you to generate a script for your voiceover. So in the next lesson, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate a voiceover for your YouTube video using the scripts that you just generated with Gemini. So I will see you in the next lesson.